day one, 1958-59 C15, fitting an Electrex ignition system, giving me 12 volt negative earth electrics on my rolling restoration C15. Anyway, enjoy the pictures and the video. Hopefully somebody finds it useful. If you like my YouTube channel, why not think about subscribing? Bit of a bike nut. Thanks for watching. Okay, so the grey cable from the main backbone of the loom is this one, furthest from me on the top, and the black cable from the loom centre cable goes to the top one here. Okay, so the black cable from the main loom goes to the ignition switch. It's a crimp, it's not a bullet, so I'll just cut it with an inch to spare to allow me to remember which colour it is, although that is the only black one. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm removing the original distributor lead, putting the little screw back on, keeping the distributor, even though I've got CDI, for retaining the original look. Okay, you can see the stator and the rotor is removed. The only thing stopping me today fitting the Electrex, you'll notice the woodruff key still in there, is that actually the primary chain tensioner is missing on this motorcycle. Now I've all managed to order one from eBay, but it's probably going to be a day or two, but it'll allow me to digest the Electrex instructions, because their rotor is not cut to fit a woodruff connection. It's got a generic locking collar, and I've not used one of those before, so I want to just have a read up on a bit of a better digest. But if I try and pan out, you'll find and see that all the wiring has gone, all the old 6 volt Electrex coil and all the other gubbins have gone, so we're ready for a fit. I've been working on this bike for about 30 minutes, so not long at all really.